Picture this. You're in orbit 250 miles above the Earth. Outside the International Space Station, the only thing between you and the cold vacuum of space is your spacesuit. The plan is set, the timeline is tight, and a complex spacewalk is underway. Everything is going perfectly until it isn't. In high-risk operations, the gap between a perfect checklist and a dynamic reality can close in an instant. My name is Chris Hansen. With 35 years at NASA, I have witnessed teams navigate the razor-thin margins between success and catastrophe. At this year's Sologic Learning Summit, we will not just look at slides or read case studies. I will take you inside an interactive, real-time simulation of a critical spacewalk mission. You will navigate the ambiguity, time pressure, and imperfect data. If your team is responsible for safety, reliability, or human performance, you will gain powerful first-hand insights into cognitive diversity and how teams make decisions under pressure. We are taking the summit's theme this year from insight to application and putting it to the ultimate test. Register today, and I look forward to seeing you at the Sologic Learning Summit, October 7th and 8th in Seattle, Washington. Let's see how your team handles the pressure.